So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the motions all over all the motions on a specific app, so that if you are finding that any specific app is draining the battery, you can reduce its motion or anything to save the battery. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the settings. In the settings, scroll down until you see this option of accessibility. Here, scroll down in the last, you're gonna see this option of per app settings. Just simply go over there. Let me quickly remove this app. Now here, simply in this app customization, you need to hit on this option of add app, and select the application that you want to reduce all the motions. For example, if I search YouTube, and now click on the YouTube, and here you're gonna see this option that says reduce motions. Just simply tap over there, hit off. Now all the effects here, all the motion effects on the YouTube will be reduced, so it will definitely gonna save a lot of battery for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.